everyone! Today we will draw a turtle, so let's go!
Let's start with her head and neck. I will also draw the front legs. Now, let's move on to the eyes. Our turtle will have black pupils and tiny eyelashes. So cute! Let's also draw little nostrils and a big, happy smile. All over her body, our turtle will have spots. They will look like little rings in random places. Now, let's move on to her shell. Let's trace the outline and the patterns on it. A turtle has a very interesting shell. It has lots of different rings. They are a little different in shape, but they look similar too. Now, let's draw her body under the shell. The back legs and a tiny tail. Don't forget to add ring-shaped spots. Let's also add more patterns on her body. Now, let's draw the background. I will draw some grass, a few blades on the right and on the left. Let's add some butterflies flying around the turtle. Draw the antennae, the wings, and patterns on the wings. One butterfly will sit on the turtle's head. Maybe that's why she is smiling so big. Butterfly, smiley face. Now it's time to color our picture. First, I will color her eyes blue. Then I will take red and color her smile. I will also color the butterfly's wings red. With dark green, I will color the spots on the turtle's body. With a slightly lighter green, I will color her shell and the rings on it. With light green, I will color her head, neck, and legs. With light lime green, I will color the space between the rings on the shell, her body, and her little tail. I will also color the grass green. The turtle is sitting in the water, so I will color the background blue. Wow, the little turtle came to life.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you in the next videos.